Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the top 99 home garden wall design ideas, backyard boundary fence designs, and garden wall decor ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking to revamp your garden, create a serene outdoor space, or add an artistic touch to your backyard, this video will provide you with an abundance of inspiration. Let's dive into these exciting trends and ideas that will help you transform your outdoor area into a beautiful and functional haven. Garden wall design ideas. Vertical gardens. Vertical gardens are perfect for small spaces. Use a variety of plants in hanging pots or wall-mounted planters to create a lush green wall. 2. Stone walls. Classic and durable. Stone walls add a rustic charm to your garden. Consider different types of stones for varied textures and colors. 3. Wooden slat walls. These offer a modern look and can be customized with different stains or paints to match your garden's aesthetic. 4. Gabion walls. Made from wire cages filled with stones or other materials, gabion walls are both functional and stylish. 5. Brick walls. Timeless and sturdy, brick walls can be painted or left in their natural state for a traditional look. 6. Living walls. These are walls covered with living plants, often using modular panels. They improve air quality and add natural beauty. 7. Concrete walls. For a contemporary and industrial feel, opt for concrete walls. They can be left raw or painted for a more polished look. 8. Tile walls. Use decorative tiles to create a colorful and artistic garden wall. This is a great way to add personality to your space. 9. Metal panels. Corten steel or aluminum panels can create a sleek, modern look. They are durable and require minimal maintenance. 10. Recycled materials. Get creative with recycled materials like old doors, windows, or pallets to build unique garden walls. Backyard boundary fence. Designs. 11. Wooden fences. Classic and versatile, wooden fences can be customized in height and style, from picket to privacy fences. 12. Metal fences. Strong and secure, metal fences come in various designs, from wrought iron to aluminum. 13. Bamboo. Fences. Eco-friendly and exotic, bamboo fences add a natural touch to your backyard. 14. Vinyl fences. Low maintenance and durable, vinyl fences are available in many styles and colors. 15. Composite fences. Made from a mix of wood fibers and plastic, these fences offer the look of wood without the upkeep. 16. Living fences. Use hedges or trees to create a natural boundary that changes with the seasons. 17. Glass fences. For a modern and open feel, glass fences provide unobstructed views while maintaining boundaries. 18. Chain link fences. Practical and economical, chain link fences can be enhanced with climbing plants for added privacy. 19. Stone fences. Durable and classic. Stone fences blend well with natural landscapes. 20. Decorative panels. Use laser-cut metal panels or decorative screens to add artistic flair to your fence. Garden wall decor ideas. 21. Outdoor art. Install metal sculptures, ceramic tiles, or wooden carvings to add artistic elements to your garden walls. 22. Mirrors. Mirrors can make your garden appear larger and reflect light beautifully. 23. Lighting. Incorporate string lights, lanterns, or LED strips to create a magical evening ambiance. 24. Water features. Add a wall-mounted fountain or waterfall for a soothing sound and visual interest. 25. Planters. Use wall-mounted planters to grow herbs, flowers, or succulents vertically. 26. Trellises. Attach trellises to your walls and grow climbing plants like ivy or roses. 27. Shelving. Install outdoor shelves to display potted plants, garden tools, or decorative items. 28. Wall art. Paint murals or patterns directly onto your garden walls for a custom look. 29. Birdhouses. Hang birdhouses or bird feeders to attract wildlife and add charm. 30. Wind chimes. Add auditory interest with wind chimes in various materials and designs. Expanding on garden wall design ideas, vertical gardens. 31. Succulent walls. Succulents are low maintenance and come in various shapes and colors, perfect for a vertical garden. 32. Herb walls. Grow your kitchen herbs on a wall-mounted garden for easy access and a fresh look. 33. Flower walls. Create a vibrant wall of flowers using different seasonal blooms for year-round color. 34. Moss walls. For a minimalist and serene effect, consider a wall of moss. It's low maintenance and visually calming. 35. Vegetable walls. Grow your own vegetables on a vertical garden to maximize space and enjoy fresh produce. Stone walls. 36. Dry stone walls. Built without mortar, these walls have a natural, rustic appeal. 37. Mortared stone walls. For a more permanent structure, use mortar to secure the stones in place. 38. Mixed stone walls. Combine different types of stones for a textured, eclectic look. 39. Stacked stone walls. Neatly stacked stones create a clean, organized appearance. 40. Climbing plants on stone walls. Enhance stone walls with climbing plants like ivy or wisteria for a touch of greenery. Wooden slat walls. 41. Horizontal slats. Horizontal slats create a modern, sleek look and can make a small space appear larger. 42. Vertical slats. Vertical slats provide a more traditional appearance and can add height to your garden. 43. Diagonal slats. For a unique design, consider diagonal slats. They add visual interest and a dynamic feel. 44. Decorative cuts. Incorporate decorative cutouts in the slats for an artistic touch. 45. Lighting integration. Embed LED lights within the slats for a contemporary illuminated wall. Gabion walls. 46. Natural stones. Fill gabion cages with natural stones for a rugged, earthy look. 47. Recycled materials. Use recycled glass, bricks, or other materials for an eco-friendly option. 48. Layered design. Create layers within the gabion wall for added depth and visual interest. 49. Gabion planters. Incorporate planters into the gabion wall for a blend of stone and greenery. 50. Water feature integration. Add a water feature, like a small waterfall, to a gabion wall for a soothing sound and visual effect. Brick walls. 51. Patterned brickwork. Experiment with different bricklaying patterns such as herringbone or basket weave. 52. Painted bricks. Paint bricks in bold colors or patterns to add a vibrant touch. 53. Aged bricks. Use aged or reclaimed bricks for a vintage weathered look. 54. Brick planters. Integrate brick planters into the wall design for a cohesive look. 55. Brick mosaic. Create a mosaic design with different colored bricks for an artistic effect. Living walls. 56. Modular panels. Use modular panels for easy installation and customization. 57. Irrigation systems. Integrate an irrigation system to keep the plants healthy with minimal maintenance. 58. Seasonal plants. Change the plants seasonally for a fresh look throughout the year. 59. Flowering plants. Incorporate flowering plants for added color and fragrance. 60. Edible plants. Grow edible plants like herbs and vegetables for a functional living wall. Concrete walls. 61. Textured concrete. Add texture to the concrete for a more interesting surface. 62. Painted concrete. Paint the concrete in vibrant colors or patterns to suit your style. 63. Stamped concrete. Use stamping techniques to mimic the look of stone or brick. 64. Concrete planters. Integrate planters into the concrete wall for a modern green touch. 65. Graffiti. Art. Commission a graffiti artist to create a unique mural on your concrete wall. Tile walls. 66. Moroccan tiles. Use colorful Moroccan tiles for a bold, exotic look. 67. Mosaic tiles. Create intricate mosaic designs for a custom, artistic touch. 68. Ceramic tiles. Opt for durable ceramic tiles in various patterns and colors. 69. Glass tiles. Use glass tiles for a sleek, reflective surface. 70. Hand-painted tiles. Incorporate hand-painted tiles for a personalized, artistic effect. Metal panels. 71. Laser-cut designs. Choose laser-cut metal panels with intricate designs for a modern, artistic look. 72. Rustic corten steel. Use weathered corten steel for a rustic, industrial feel. 73. Aluminum panels. Lightweight and durable, aluminum panels can be customized in various colors and designs. 74. Metal and wood combination. Combine metal panels with wooden elements for a unique, mixed material wall. 75. Perforated panels. Use perforated metal panels for a lightweight, airy look. Recycled materials. 76. Old doors. Use old doors as garden walls for a vintage, eclectic look. 77. Windows. Recycled windows can create a whimsical greenhouse effect. 78. Palettes. Palettes are versatile and can be painted or stained to suit your garden style. 79. Salvaged wood. Use salvaged wood for a rustic, eco-friendly wall. 80. Mixed materials. Combine various recycled materials for a unique, eclectic design. Expanding on backyard boundary fence designs. Wooden fences. 81. Stained wood. Stain the wood in different shades for a customized look. 82. Painted wood. Paint the fence in bold or neutral colors to match your garden's theme. 83. Trellis. Integration. Add a trellis to the top of the 84. A fun-colored fence. If you don't want your fence to disappear, consider painting your privacy wall a vibrant hue, too. This tactic may be appropriate if you want to create the appearance of an outdoor living room. 85. DIY a pallet fence. For those who want a wood fence, pallet fences are easy DIYs for amateur builders. 86. Vertical wood planks. Take some time to think about if you want vertical or horizontal planks. If opting for vertical placement, slight variations in the lengths of the fence panels will add an extra touch and draw the eye up. Clough notes that vertical planks are ideal in humid environments. 87. Horizontal wood planks. Horizontal planks tend to be more costly, but can look more elegant. Planting greenery along a horizontal privacy fence creates a nice juxtaposition. Horizontal planks can create a different visual character and are a little less common, Smith says. Carline opts for horizontal planks in instances where a more modern look is desired. 88. A chevron privacy wall. Get sound privacy protection while adding unique visual interest by arranging the privacy fence in a chevron pattern. Building gates for this type of fence is a doable DIY project that is sure to impress guests and neighbors alike. 89. Mix it up with metal posts. Use metal posts to spice up a wood fence and add contrast within the structure. The posts are the structural backbone of a fence, so metal ones are great to give a fence rigidity and greater longevity. 90. A bamboo fence. While a bamboo fence could add a tropical touch to your backyard, there are other benefits too. Bamboo tends to be cheaper than hardwood, but it is incredibly strong. 91. A vinyl privacy fence. Generally a more cost-effective option, vinyl privacy fences can be a great choice if you're budget conscious. It's also a low-maintenance option, great for anyone who doesn't have hours to spend on the upkeep of the yard. 92. A stone wall fence. Stone is another natural material that is used frequently in privacy fences. A stone fence can be more expensive on the front end. 93. A corrugated metal fence. For ultimate privacy, consider a corrugated metal fence. Just remember, this approach offers total privacy, but can make spaces feel smaller from the inside and less inviting from the outside, Lenhart says of fully opaque options. 94. A low garden dress up a dull wood fence by planting a garden right along the fence line. Hosta, hydrangea, and ivy are all popular choices for this area of the yard. 95. A slat fence. Leaving a little room between your wood slats will allow light to come through and make the space feel more open. 96. A white picket fence. Very few things carry cachet quite like a white picket fence. Grow climbing vines along the fence to create layers in the landscape, Farjan says. 97. A wire fence. Like chain link fences, wire fences alone may not add the most privacy to a yard. However, if you pair them with climbing vines, bushes, and flowers, they can create an enviable green barrier. 98. Grow a living wall on a tall fence. If you want a very tall privacy fence, opt for a living wall. Make use of moss and other climbing plants along the wall for a verdant enclosure that enhances outdoor living. 99. Railing planters. Purchase a few railing planters to install along your fence. Perfect for seasonal plantings, these also add life and visual interest to the structure. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing garden and patio design tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite, or if you have any unique ideas of your own. Bye, take care.